Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on saying the sounds in words. Now, some of our words are going to have 1, 2, 3 sounds. Other words are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. So, if you want to push something, like we're going to be pushing these circles, you can pause the video, grab something to push, and then press play when you're ready to start. Okay, the rest of us are going to go ahead. So we have goat. Goat has 3 sounds in it. Let's tap those sounds out. Ga, o, t. So tap and say the sounds with me. Ga, o, t. Again. Ga, o, t. And up to the board, we're going to push them. Ga, o, t. 3 sounds in the word goat. Our next word is bed. It also has 3 sounds. Ooh, excuse me. Let's tap those sounds out. Ba, e, d. Again. Ba, e, d. Once more. Ba, e, d. And time to push. Ba, e, d. 3 sounds. Now we have one of those spinning tops. So we're going to push the word top. Or I'm sorry, count first. Ready? Count the sounds with me. T, a, p. Again. T, a, p. Once more. T, a, p. Now we can push those sounds. T, a, p. 3 sounds in the word top. Okay, now spoon actually has 4 sounds in it. And this will really help you with your writing and your reading if you can hear all of those sounds in the word. So let's tap out the sounds in spoon. S, p, oo, n. Again. S, p, oo, n. One more time. S, p, oo, n. And let's go up to the board and push those sounds. S, p, oo, n. Spoon. Okay. That one might have been a little bit difficult, but that's okay. That's why we practice. Bell. Okay, let's do bell. Ba, e, o. Again. Ba, e, o. One more time. Ba, e, o. And let's push the sounds. Ba, e, o. 3 sounds in the word bell. Okay, whoops. Let's make sure we get set up for our next word. Stop. Oh, and stop has 4 sounds in it. So here we go. S, t, a, p. Again. S, t, a, p. Once more. S, t, a, p. And let's push. S, t, a, p. 4 sounds in the word stop. Now we have 5. Give me a high 5. You're doing good. 5. Okay, here we go. F, I, v. Again. F, I, v. Once more. F, I, v. Here we go. F, I, v. Okay. And our last one, clock. It's almost time to finish. Get it? Sometimes I like to be silly. Okay, clock. So here we go. K, l, a, k. Again. K, l, a, k. Once more. K, l, a, k. And here we go for the last time. K, l, a, k. Okay, see you next time. Bye.